Hello, welcome back to Lori's Life. Today I'll be doing a recipe with Hormel tamales with chicken and Bertolli garlic Alfredo sauce. I'm going to add caramelized onions and garlic and a layer of peppers as well and some spices. We'll see how it comes out. Yum. So it's snowing in Massachusetts and I have a snow day today. So that's why I'm here. Home. Oh wow. I've never used these before. This is interesting. Okay. It's kind of, I love the frozen, like manicottis and frozen shells. Wow. This should be good though. This it has a chili taste, but it's also chicken, so of course layer of chicken on top would be good. But okay, I'll put peppers because that's pretty good with chili, right? And my chicken, I'm gonna mix the onion and garlic together with that. Just mix it up a little bit. I salted the chicken and put pepper as well when I just pan fried it today. A couple of chicken legs. That should be good. My spices are salt, pepper, basil, and cilantro, and sage. So I'll bake this at 350 for maybe half an hour. And my olives are good as a garnish, but I'm gonna try this with the Alfredo. Should be good together, I think. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit when this is cooked. Okay, it's out of the oven. I hope it's delicious. So I just got done shoveling. It's nice and light and fluffy. I did the walkway, my car, and around my car. It only took 15 minutes. That's what I like. So I'm gonna let this cool, and then I'll serve it up and do the microgreens on top. It will be delicious. Okay, ready to put the arugula on top of my one serving. So we'll just, can you see that? See? Yum! So here goes the true test. I've never had canned tamales, but the chicken part tastes good. Not even sure. Oh yeah, it can slices right through it like butter. Mm-mm. Mmm. The chili flavor comes through. And the pepper and olives. Again, arugula has like a nutty, peppery taste, but let's see, I get peanuts out of it. And in Mexican cooking, peanut flavor goes with chili. I've had a nice chicken dish with peanut butter. It was so yummy. I used to make it. I lost the recipe though. I lived with a Mexican family for a short time. And boy, I loved it. It goes well. Arugula definitely with canned tamales and the Alfredo sauce. Garlic. So, till next time.